Xbox support has undergone a major transformation in 2025, making it easier than ever to get help with your gaming needs. The biggest change is the integration of advanced artificial intelligence. Microsoft's AI chatbots now handle approximately 80% of common support issues without requiring a human agent. You can access Xbox support through multiple convenient channels. The Xbox support website provides comprehensive self-service options and AI assistance. You can also get support directly through your Xbox console or use the Xbox and Microsoft support apps on your mobile device for help on the go. The key takeaway is that artificial intelligence and unified support channels are now the focus of Xbox support, providing quicker and more efficient assistance than ever before. Xbox offers multiple convenient ways to get the help you need. Each method is designed for different types of issues and preferences. First, the Xbox support website at support.xbox.com is your comprehensive self-service portal. It features an extensive FAQ database, a 24/7 AI virtual agent, and even appointment scheduling for complex technical issues. Second, you can access support directly through your Xbox console. Whether you have an Xbox Series X, Series S, or Xbox One, built-in support includes remote diagnostics where Microsoft can check your console remotely, and even screen sharing with support agents. Third, mobile support is available through the Xbox app and Microsoft Support app. Both provide built-in chat systems, ticket management, and easy access to your support history right from your phone. Fourth, phone support offers a callback service so you don't have to wait on hold. Xbox Game Pass Ultimate subscribers get priority phone support with faster response times. Bonus tip: for quick refunds on eligible digital purchases, use the automated refund system within 14 days of purchase. This can save you time compared to contacting support directly. Key takeaway: choose the support method that best fits your needs. Use the website or apps for quick self-service, console support for technical issues, or phone support when you need direct human interaction. Each method is designed to get you the help you need efficiently.